Hello everybody, this is Priyakant from Fundamental Research Department. We have released a cement earnings preview for the Q1 FY14. What we have estimated is that during this quarter, on account of a sluggish demand environment and early monsoon and also the continued cost pressure, the performance and the earnings of the cement companies under our coverage and also in the other soft coverage is expected to decline on a year-on-year basis, particularly for the Sharekhan Cement Universe. The earning is expected to decline by 32.5% on a year-on-year basis, and among which the southern-based company like India Cement and Madras Cement are expected to post a relatively higher pressure on their earnings on account of much poor demand environment and continued cost pressure. Moving ahead, if we look at the demand environment, the southern region and the north region and eastern region have faced a relatively higher sluggish demand environment, and as a result the cement company volume growth is unable to support the revenue growth of the cement companies during this quarter when we compared on a year-on-year basis. So on the coverage company, the revenue growth of the Sharekhan Cement Universe is expected to be largely flat on a YOY basis, whereas company wise, if you look at volume growth performance, the company like Ultratech Shree Cement are expected to post degrowth in their volume on a year-on-year basis, whereas south based company like India Cement, Madras Cement are likely to post positive growth, but that will be largely on account of a low base effect thing. So this is on the volume and the revenue front. Moving ahead, realization front, if you look at during this quarter, what has happened is that in the month of April and May, there was a correction in the cement price largely on the all major cities across the country, but in the month of June there is a recovery in the price has been witnessed, and as a result average, if we look at realization for the quarter, it seems to be largely flat on a sequential basis or a marginal correction when we compared the same on the Q4 FY13 level. So this is on the realization front. Cost pressure in terms of a freight is expected to continue, and as a result the overall cost of production is expected to be higher even on a sequential basis. Finally, coming to the outlook front, on the large size space, we prefer Ultratech as our preferred stock on account of its strong balance sheet, pan-India player, and the better valuation compared to the other large player. Whereas on the mid-size company, we prefer Orient Cement Limited, which is yet to get listed in the market. That's all on the cement preview. Thank you.